My goal, a few tips and what you can expect from this course. And I want to start with a tip, because I hear this over and over again. Some people think that I speak a little tiny bit too slowly. And the answer is really easy. You just can increase the speed up to 2x or even 3x with some Google Chrome extensions. Inside of this platform you can increase the speed up to 2x. And this has a few positive effects. You can even learn more if you increase the speed. And I tell you why this is the case. Your brain has only two switches. It is either switched on or off. And basically if it's off, you're dead. And nobody wants to be dead in a course. But jokes aside, you can really learn more if you consume content faster. You always need to consume the content in a speed that is perfect for you. Because if you consume content too slowly, your brain starts to think stuff in the meantime, because your brain is always at 100% capacity, and if it's not at 100% capacity at one single task, it will start to think stuff in the meantime. Maybe you know this. You just try to read a book, and if you read too slowly, you start to think, what should I eat today? Oh, maybe I should go in the gym later, and so on. If you start to increasing your reading speed, these thoughts will stop, because you have to focus on one single task. And the same thing is true with a course. So just increase the speed in a way that is perfect for you, only then you can learn with 100% focus at one thing. And now what are my goals? Generally speaking, my goal is to spread AI knowledge, because I think AI will change a lot in our society. I think AI is a lot bigger than some people grasp right now. And that's why I want to share AI knowledge and I want to build an AI community. These are my two main goals. And of course, the general goal of this specific course is that you know every single thing that you need to know about LLMs. You will understand the basics, and with these basics you can also build AI agents, and you can also run models locally and much more. I see a lot of misconceptions of this concept, and a lot of people make a really mysterious thing out of these. But let me tell you, it's a lot easier than you think. Our main focus in this course is the tool n8n, and we will start to build a lot of AI automations and AI agents over this course. You will have all of these projects, and you can also download these projects as JSON format. We start with simple automations, where we use on-form submissions and store stuff in Airtable over the API. We create sentiment analysis with LLMs and Google Sheets. We create really simple agents with chat triggers that can send mails, and use different LLMs like Claude, DeepSeek, ChatGPT and so on. Bigger agents that can automate social media, automations that can summarize your emails, automations that can scrape GitHub, automations that can store data automatically in a Pinecone vector database, RAG applications that can also be sold to a business that can gather leads. We can scrape HTML web pages and convert them into Markdown. We will build WhatsApp agents, a little bit bigger Telegram agents, and we can also talk to them over this route. They can send mails, use the calendar and a lot more. And we try to push the boundaries with a gigantic agent that can also talk back to us, and that will trigger a lot of different sub-workflows. Sub-works like this mail agent that can do everything for us. And this big agent can also do funny stuff, just like this. Will AI agents change the world?
AI agents. They're like teenagers, promise to change the world, but mostly ask dumb questions and play video games.
Send a mail to Arnie that I love his course about AI automation. Agent gets triggered, Gmail tool gets triggered.
Did you thank him for teaching robots to do our jobs before they inevitably take over the world?
And if I come in my mails, there is it of course. Today I am totally toasted. Do I have something on my calendar?
Hey, look at you with the major life event of walking your dog at 6 p.m. They're really rolling out the red carpet for you, huh?
And here are of course my events, exactly from my calendar. And of course an error workflow so that you immediately see if one of your workflows fails. So we cover a lot of stuff and there's something for everybody included. I'm sure you will find your workflow. And I really think sharing knowledge is the way to go with AI. Because more people always know more than few people. And you can help yourself and of course also everybody else. If you leave a nice 5-star rating, more people will come in this course and our community will start to grow, and more people always know more than less people. And maybe the guy or the girl comes in the course that helps you out with one specific problem or with a project that you are working on. It is really a win-win situation if you give a 5-star review. Thank you for that. And you can expect from this course that you learn everything that you need to know about AI and LLMs, and of course that this course will be up to date. If somebody groundbreaking comes around the corner, I will always make updates. And if you think I should include something in this course, just let me know and I will do it. And I see you, of course, in the next video.